Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Lowe's website and checking out some of the tool deals that they have going on, or tool savings that they have going on, because right now, in today's age, everything's expensive, even deals. So to find the best deals possible is the smart move. So let's go ahead and see what they have. We're not going to go over everything. We're just going to quickly skim through some of them, see if we find any good deals. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys see something that I don't mention, make sure to drop it down in the comments. Maybe some others are interested. So first up, they have this tool here, which is basically you just get a free gift with the purchase. So this one right here, you have the 12-inch 15 amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. This is a corded one, and it is going to be $450 down from $600. And you have a couple different options as far as your free item. You have the DeWalt aluminum adjustable miter saw stand and the DeWalt aluminum miter saw stand. So one's adjustable, one is not. One is a $230 value, the other one is a $150 value. So why you wouldn't choose the adjustable one, I don't know. I'm sure that one will sell out first, obviously, but that is definitely the better option. And here they have it over here on the right, $230 for the aluminum adjustable miter saw stand. Here they have a few different DeWalt sets, the Extreme, Power Detect XR, both 2-tool kits, a drill and 1/4-inch impact driver. Both include 2 batteries and a charger and a bag. So one is obviously a little bit heavier duty, one at $300 down from $400, and then this one is $200, but this one also is another item that you get a free item with the purchase. Your items for this are going to be the circular saw, reciprocating saw, the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt 1/2-inch drive cordless impact, hammer drill, and your 12-volt max variable speed 3/8 drive cordless impact. Ooh, they got a few more options hidden over here. So another circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, and your brushless 3/8 drive cordless ratchet. So quite a few different things that they're offering as an additional free tool with this kit. Here's a 20-volt drill, 1/2-inch brushless cordless drill, 2 lithium-ion batteries, and a charger in a bag for $99 down from $160. They're tool only on their 3/8 drive cordless ratchet for $180. For $180, you might as well just go ahead and pick up this $200 set and get that tool for free if that is one that you're interested in. So always keep that in mind. If there's a tool that you are interested in, check out its pricing, check out the deals that they have going on. Maybe it's better to just buy that deal and get the tool that you really want basically for free, or spending, maybe $20-$30 more and then ending up with a whole lot more. Cobalt pancake compressor for $99 down from $129. The powerstack batteries from DeWalt for $200, 1.7 amp batteries, and a few options there. 1/2-inch drill, reciprocating saw, 1/2-inch and 3/8 drive impact wrenches, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, orbital sander, rotary hammer drill, impact driver, and angle grinder. So a little bit different options there with the purchase of the 2 powerstack batteries. A couple of flex deals going on here. You got a 6-tool and a 2-tool combo kit. The 6-tool is going to be down to $550 from $650, and the 2-tool is $350, but it is going to include a free gift with your purchase. As far as those items, it is going to be 2.5 amp hour battery, the LED battery operated work light, water resistant job site radio, job site blower, fan, and or shop vac. So a couple random items on that free tool list, but this kit is going to include 2 lithium ion batteries, a charger, and a bag with your drill and impact driver. Here's the Cobalt next generation 24-volt max drill. It's going to include 1 battery and a charger and a bag. Metal ratcheting brushless cordless drill, $100 down from $140. The 20-volt Craftsman 1/2-inch drive impact for $100 down from $150. Here's another Cobalt kit. This one's a 4-tool kit with 1 lithium ion battery, a charger, and a bag. I guess, okay, if I'm getting a 4-tool kit, I would prefer to have 2 batteries. That, and I don't care. Maybe some of you guys use them, but I feel like these little lights are absolutely worthless to me. That's just how I feel. I feel like they're literally thrown in these kits just to bump the numbers up. So you're getting a drill, impact driver, your light, and a reciprocating saw with one battery and a charger. I wish they would just remove the flashlight and give me another battery. So that one is $300. Cobalt screwdriver set. If you're looking for a cheap screwdriver set, this one's $20, down from $30. Another flex item with free gift with purchase. This one's at $200. Here is the DeWalt Extreme 12 volt max, variable speed, half-inch drive, impact. Tool only for $150, not on sale. Here's a couple 3 amp hour batteries from DeWalt for $100, down from $180. Another Cobalt one, next generation, $99, down from $150. Battery, impact driver, charger, and bag. Another flex set. If you guys have used flex, I've heard mixed reviews. Some people just can't stand them, and some people absolutely love them. What are your guys' thoughts? Please share it down in the comments if you guys have used any of the flex tools. What are your guys' thoughts on them? I'd really like to know. That's one brand that it's probably one of the only brands that I haven't had any experience with. So I would like to hear your guys' input on it. So this is basically the exact same thing as that Cobalt set we just looked at, except you are getting 2 batteries in this kit. Once again, you're getting another one of those flashlights. This one looks a little bit better than the Cobalt one, but still, I don't use those lights. Maybe you've worked job site stuff. Maybe that is something you use. But once again, you got your free item with this purchase as well. So you can get another battery and the same items that I listed earlier. Here's a 67-piece mechanics tool set for $400, down from $650. Take a look at this. This looks like a complete ripoff. That's quite a bit you're asking for some. Now you do have some reversible wrenches in here, some flex head ratcheting wrenches, and some stubby ratcheting wrenches in both metric and SAE. But boy, I don't know. I guess that is roughly, just under $6 a wrench. So I mean, I guess it's not bad. I do like that their reversible ratcheting wrenches are included. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that one. $650 is definitely out of the question. That's a hard no. Here's another Warner one. This is about the cheapest that you're going to find, $50, especially for this large platform. Usually if you find them around the $50 price range, it's the smaller platform one like what I have. It's, maybe 18, 20 inches wide, maybe. So here you do have a larger one. This is a 250-pound capacity. It's pretty generic as far as these work platforms, but for $50, down from $88, I think that's a pretty good deal. Craftsman jigsaw, tool only for $100, down from $130. Craig pocket hole jig for $35, down from $40. Cobalt 440-piece set for $150, down from $200. But keep in mind, 440 pieces, 200 of those 440 pieces are bits. Little screwdriver bits. I cannot stand that. If you guys watch the channel, you guys know how I hate when sets just bump their numbers up. This is a 15,000 piece set, and only 11,000 of those are bits and Allen keys. I mean, it does look like you have a decent selection of sockets here. You don't get anything for wrenches. I mean, those look like stubbies. Like, they're kind of like they ran out of material to make a full wrench, but they're not quite stubbies either. I like Cobalt as a pretty affordable brand, especially DIY stuff. It's pretty good stuff. You can usually find some pretty good deals. Value of over $1,000. Yeah, if you're charging maybe $3 per one of those bits, maybe, but this stuff just blows my mind. Get that out of here. I could probably fit all the bits I use on 2 of those rails. Having 20 of those is unnecessary. Sorry, I get a little worked up when it gets to that bit stuff. Here's probably the best deal we're going to see today. This one's at $100, not on sale. This set's a joke. Here's Cobalt's 24-volt, 4-inch brushless, cordless circular saw for $100. And a single power stack battery for $100, down from $130. So there are some pretty decent deals going on, and then some definitely not so decent deals going on. Definitely just make sure to check out what's included in sets, because a lot of them it's all a number game, playing tricks on you. You see a number, you think it's this is going to be a fantastic set, and it's filled with a bunch of junk, or Also, keep in mind that if you're looking for a specific tool, one that you're interested in, make sure they don't have any deals going on like they normally do, where you buy a tool kit for $200 or a battery set for $200 and you get a free tool. Most likely that tool that you're interested in may be on that list. So just make sure to check that out. You can definitely, in a sense, save quite a bit of money. You're going to end up with a lot more stuff for just a little bit more money. So that's definitely the better route to go if you can afford the, $20 to $50 more that you may have to pay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, especially on like the flex stuff, and then maybe like that Cobalt set. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. If you guys haven't, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.